Zen Internet full review, features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product can be found in the description below. Zen Internet is a UK-based broadband provider known for its high-quality service and excellent customer support. In this review, we'll explore the key features, strengths, and weaknesses of Zen Internet to help you decide if it's the right choice for your broadband needs. Zen Internet offers a variety of broadband options, including standard broadband, fiber, and full fiber packages. Their fiber broadband plans offer speeds ranging from 38 Mbps to 500 Mbps, catering to both casual users and heavy internet users such as gamers and streamers. Their full fiber packages, in particular, are ideal for households or businesses that demand the fastest and most reliable connections. One standout feature is Zen's commitment to delivering a truly unlimited service, with no data caps or throttling, making it perfect for users with high data consumption. The company is renowned for its exceptional customer service, which is available 24/7. Zen Internet consistently receives high marks for its support, and customers appreciate the personalized service. Another strength is Zen's flexibility. Unlike some larger providers, Zen doesn't lock you into long-term contracts, offering 30-day rolling contracts for those who prefer more freedom. Additionally, Zen provides a 14-day money-back guarantee, allowing customers to try the service risk-free. However, Zen Internet's pricing is on the higher end, especially for their faster fiber and full fiber plans. While the service is excellent, this premium price may not be justifiable for users who don't need high speeds or unlimited data. Also, while Zen's coverage is solid in urban areas, it may not be as widespread in more rural locations. In conclusion, Zen Internet is an excellent choice for customers who prioritize customer service, speed, and reliability. It's best suited for users with high data needs or those who want a no-hassle, flexible broadband solution. While it may not be the most budget-friendly option, its top-tier performance and support make it a strong contender in the broadband market.